Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm your coach Vaibhavi Kamath, and today I'm going to debunk one of the biggest myths that certain foods cause weight gain. I've often heard people say that you need to stop eating rice and bread and potatoes and sugar and a whole other list to lose weight. But that's not correct. Let me tell you how our body loses weight and why is it okay to have these foods. Let's take an example of a 27-year-old sedentary man whose weight is 90 kilos and his height is 6 feet. Now we'll calculate his maintenance calories. He needs around 2300 calories each day to maintain his current weight at his current level of activity. Now let us reduce this by 300 calories. This is called calorie deficit. Now he'll be eating 300 calories lesser than his requirement, which will help him in losing weight. We get a total of 2000 calories he needs to eat. Now this man can eat anything in a day up to 2000 calories and lose weight because he's eating in calorie deficit. Now he can have orange juice, 2 slices of pizza, a plate of fries, 2 samosas and still be in calorie deficit. Now the problem here is that these foods won't fill him up and he would feel hungry after a short span. Also, these foods have very few nutrients. On the other hand, he could have one vegetable sandwich with bread and not cabbage, 1 cup of coffee with sugar, a big bowl of salad with grilled chicken, dal and rice, a piece of chocolate, some nuts, a bowl of sprouts, a serving of vegetable pasta and still lose weight, because even after eating all these foods he's still in calorie deficit. The point I'm trying to make here is that you can lose weight with any food, but maintaining a balance between the foods you like and nutritious foods is important. You don't have to give up on your morning tea or rice to lose weight. It won't be easy to follow if I cut out the staple food or your favorite food from your diet, and eventually you'll cheat on your diet and overeat. You just need to stay in deficit and provide your body with enough nutrients. Now by this I do not mean a calorie is a calorie and it does not matter where it comes from. Protein, carbs and fat, each of them are metabolized in a different way, and depending on your level of fitness and your goal, the composition of this in your diet would vary. Protein is the most important macronutrient when you're trying to lose weight, and I'm going to explain why in the coming videos, and we'll also be learning how to make a balanced meal. I hope that we've learned that sugar or bread or cheese or rice is not the culprit. It is how much of it you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got to learn something. See you again in the next one. Bye.